What do you mean? You give me a blind right now?
Of course not. Blind to things like a traffic offense, like you speeding, you broke the one way, you never license the car properly, you run taxi without permission, you don't have no insurance. Them little things you get blind for. You almost killed somebody. That requires some introspection. You need to stop and look into yourself and see where you reach, and it's a crossroads. Which road shall you choose? I think you need some time to make that choice wisely.
How much time may I look for?
I'm not certain. It could be a week. It could be a year. It could be a month. It could be 2 months. But what I will do for you, I'm going to put you in general population. I'm going to put you in a very comfortable as I can make it. By yourself. With decent visitation. Now it all depends on you. And how you seem to have taken the lesson. But it can't be so light that you don't learn nothing from it. And it can't be so harsh that you resent it. I can't make you come out of prison a bigger don than you went in. It's all up to you.
Big man, I never ever think of disrespect police. I try to do them work. But I see how me grow and where me grow, I never think of police to solve anything. Because I always think them slow.
You ever hear the saying, slow but sure? When last have you heard that somebody has sell coke in a Spanish town? And some crackhead have broke people place, or broke people car? Huh? You think that happened just overnight, sir? 21 and 14 used to use them gun for go rob people place or rent them out to people who want to crime. So them lose them. Wanna still have an own because you know I use them to keep peace and safety in your community. So don't look at the speed, look at the results. When we do something, it's done. Forget about the noise of the market. Watch the sale. And understand that if you start use one little piece of pie to do what you shouldn't, you lose that like a puff of smoke. So continue doing the good work you guys doing. But for God's sake, leave the agency work alone.